Imagine walking into a bank, asking for a business loan, and the lender smiles, shakes their head, and says, "Sorry, you don't have business credit." Now imagine instead, you walk into that same bank just months later, and they approve you for thousands of dollars with confidence. What changed? The answer is your business credit. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build business credit fast, step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick with me, because there's a crucial step most beginners miss, and without it, you'll be stuck spinning your wheels. Number 1. Separate yourself from your business. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is mixing personal and business finances. If your business is not separate from you, you cannot build true business credit. The first step is forming a legal business structure like an LLC or corporation. Sole proprietors can operate, but lenders and credit bureaus give much more weight to a registered LLC or corporation. Next, get an EIN from the IRS. Think of this as a social security number for your business. It's free and you can apply online in minutes. With an EIN, you can open a business bank account. This step shows lenders you're serious and it keeps your personal money separate. For example, Sarah started a cleaning service as a sole proprietor. She was denied for every credit line she applied for. After she registered an LLC, got her EIN, and opened a business account, suddenly she was approved for starter business credit cards. Number 2. Get your business credit ready. Lenders and vendors want to see that your business looks legitimate. This is often called building a business credit profile. Here's what you need. A professional business address. Avoid using your home address if possible. A virtual office or co-working space address works. A business phone number listed in directories. Many lenders still check if your business phone number shows up in the 411 directory. A professional email address with your business domain, not a free Gmail account. A business website, even a simple one, adds credibility. Why does this matter? Imagine two businesses apply for credit. One has Sarah's Cleaning LLC with a domain email, website, and listed business phone. The other just has Sarah Johnson with a Gmail. Which one looks more trustworthy to a lender? Exactly. Number 3. Register with business credit bureaus. Most beginners think credit bureaus only track personal credit, but your business has its own. The 3 big business credit reporting agencies are Dun and Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Start by applying for a free DUNS number from Dun and Bradstreet. Many lenders and vendors require this number to report your credit. Without it, your payment history won't build your profile, and that's the hidden mistake most beginners make. They think they're building business credit, but no one is reporting their payments. Number 4. Start with vendor credit. You can't get approved for big loans or credit cards without history. So how do you start? With vendors who will give you net 30 terms. Net 30 means you have 30 days to pay for products or services. Many of these vendors report payments to the credit bureaus. Examples of beginner-friendly vendors include companies like Uline, Granger, or Quill. They sell office supplies, shipping products, and more. Here's the trick. Order something small, pay your invoice early, and let them report it. After a few months of on-time payments, your business credit file will start building. Think of it like training wheels. You can't ride the big bike until you prove you can handle the smaller one. Number 5. Move up to retail and fleet credit. Once you have vendor accounts reporting, you can move up to larger accounts. These include retailers like Home Depot, Lowe's, Staples, or even Amazon business accounts. Fleet cards, like fuel cards from Shell or BP, are also common next steps. These accounts typically require at least a few vendor accounts in good standing before approving you. For example, Mike started with 3 net 30 vendors. After 4 months of early payments, he applied for a Staples business card and a Shell fleet card. Both approved him because they saw his history. Number 6. Apply for starter business credit cards. After vendors and retail accounts, you can apply for unsecured business credit cards. These are the ones issued by banks. Look for cards that report to business bureaus, not just personal credit. Some banks mix the two. Chase, Capital One, and American Express have popular business cards, but always confirm which bureaus they report to. One powerful option is the Capital One Spark Classic for Business, which is often beginner-friendly. Here's a pro tip. Always pay your balance in full. Carrying debt not only costs interest but can hurt your business credit score. Number 7. Understand business credit scores. Unlike personal credit scores, which range from 300 to 850, business credit scores are different. For example, Dun and Bradstreet uses the Paydex score, which ranges from 0 to 100. A score of 80 or higher usually means you pay your bills on time or early. Experian's IntelliScore ranges from 0 to 100, and lenders want to see above 76. So when you hear build good business credit, it's about hitting these benchmarks. Think of it like school grades. If you pay on time, you're an A student. If you're late, your grade drops fast. Number 8. Keep your credit utilization low. Just like personal credit, business credit scores factor in how much of your available credit you use. If you have a $10,000 limit and you're using $9,000, that's a 90% utilization rate. Lenders see that as risky. Aim to keep utilization under 30%. For example, if you have a $10,000 limit, try not to spend more than $3,000 before paying it down. Number 9. Build relationships with banks. This is a step most beginners overlook. Yes, business credit can help you get approvals, but banks also lend based on relationships. Open a business checking account. Deposit money regularly. Meet with a banker occasionally. Later, when you need a line of credit or loan, they'll already know your business. Think of it like making friends. People trust you more when they actually know you, not when you just show up asking for help. Number 10. Keep your business in good standing. Lenders check more than just your credit score. They also look at your business records. That means filing your annual reports with the state, paying taxes on time, keeping your licenses updated. If your business gets dissolved by the state because you forgot to file paperwork, lenders may instantly deny you. It's like showing up to a job interview in pajamas. You might be smart, but you look unprepared. Number 11. The power of time. Here's the part most people don't want to hear. You can build business credit fast compared to personal credit, but fast usually means 6 to 12 months of consistent effort. The good news is, unlike personal credit, negative marks in business credit often weigh less over time if you build strong positive history. For example, if you miss one vendor payment early on, but then build a dozen positive accounts, that one mark won't ruin you forever. Number 12. Why business credit matters. So why go through all this effort? Because business credit opens doors. It separates your personal finances from your company's. It allows you to access higher limits, better terms, and sometimes funding that doesn't even require a personal guarantee. Think of it this way. With strong business credit, you could get a $50,000 line of credit for your company, while your personal credit only qualifies you for $10,000. That's the difference between barely surviving and having the cash flow to grow. Number 13. Use trade references. When applying for larger credit lines or loans, many lenders will ask for trade references. These are simply other businesses that can vouch for your payment history. For example, if you've been ordering supplies from a vendor for 6 months and always pay early, that vendor can serve as a reference. It's like having a teacher write you a recommendation letter, but for your business. Number 14. Monitor your business credit reports. Just like personal credit, errors can show up on your business credit reports. Sometimes vendors forget to report payments, or worse, a wrong negative mark could appear. You can monitor your reports through Dun and Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Catching errors early means you can dispute them and protect your score. Number 15. Use business loans strategically. A small business loan, even if you don't need it right away, can help you build credit when paid back on time. For example, a business might take out a $5,000 loan, park the funds in their bank account, and pay it back steadily. This creates a repayment history lenders love to see. It shows you're responsible, even when you don't desperately need the money. Number 16. Diversify your credit accounts. A strong business credit profile has a mix of vendor accounts, retail cards, fleet cards, credit cards, and loans. This diversity shows lenders you can manage different kinds of credit responsibly. If your profile only has vendor accounts, it looks thin. Adding a variety makes it look much stronger. Number 17. Always pay early if possible. In business credit, paying on time often equals an average score. Paying early is what gets you top scores. For example, Dun and Bradstreet's Paydex system gives the highest marks for early payments. So instead of waiting until the due date, pay your invoice 10 or 15 days ahead of time. Number 18. Keep your personal credit clean. Even though the goal is to separate your business and personal credit, many lenders still check both. Especially in the beginning, some approvals may require a personal guarantee. If your personal credit is in bad shape, it could block your business progress. Strong personal credit can be the bridge to better business credit. Number 19. Use credit to create growth, not just debt. Business credit is not just about borrowing. It's about using leverage to grow. For example, if you use a business credit line to buy inventory that you sell at a profit, that credit is helping your business expand. The key is to use credit for income-generating activities, not just expenses. And here's the loop I promised to close. The step most beginners miss: making sure their accounts actually report to the bureaus. Without that, you're invisible. It's like shouting into a megaphone with the batteries missing. If you do everything we talked about today, but skip that, you'll feel stuck. But if you follow each step, confirm reporting, and stay consistent, you'll watch your business credit profile grow stronger every month. Now I'll leave you with this. If you had access to $50,000 in business credit right now, what would you do with it? Would you expand your business, hire more people, or invest in new opportunities? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see how you'd put your business credit to work.